Just popping out at night, having a little look around. Little shop I literally go to work. Fucking idiot. Trying to find the next hostel. So worn out. So worn out. Check into this new hostel. Just gonna get my stuff. Not sure if we got this room on. I don't know why I have to destroy the room every time I come in it. Yeah. That's the next room. Shit off. We're outside Hostel San Felipe. Water's been going for since I've been sitting here, about an hour. Gallons and gallons of water just to wet the pavement. I mean, it's a nice little feature in that. But I've never seen such a waste of water in all my life. No one's even looking at it, bro. Walked into the post. Taken so much time with a GoPro to protect it the whole time. It was even there when I got robbed that night. I just left it ordering a milkshake in Burger King. I am fucked. I'm going home. A Breaking Bad vehicle. Rubbishmen come out at 12 o'clock at night, yeah. They come out and cut all the bushes at 8 o'clock in the morning. People normally are the rudest people ever, but the drivers are too polite. So it's embarrassing, you have to run up about 10 metres just to watch the road quick for them. Anyway. Don't look too bad, do it? Taking on the gypsy estate on my own, sleeping on the street. Oh, I'm in San Pedro. I did think it was the only town that I haven't annihilated. Then I realised at the end of this road, my boss is now at work. So there's a bus in about 20 minutes to Torremolinos or something, which is like 15 minutes from the airport. And it's like 30 quid for a room. Can we fucking try that, innit? Relax by the beach for the day, maybe in a couple of days. Just realised one of their posters up at the bus stop. How fitting. Oh, I think a bus in Marbella. They completely died about the other bus. Oh, literally about to go past the work. Still waiting for me. Buses in Marbella. Cab up to the train station. Bus station. See you in a minute. Just at the bus stop. So we've got to get a train to the airport and then a 10-minute... No, a bus to the airport and a 10-minute train to Torremolinos. Some shit off. Yeah, so it's just up and round here. I am fucked. Just waiting for the bus. I ain't moving. Already missed one. Long. Oh. The bus at San Pedro who came was clearly it. He was been already telling me to get off. I didn't know it was the right bus, so I kind of just got off. Clearly that bus, well, another one that was 7, so I've got to get a bus down into Marbella. Oh, then a cab up to the train station. Now I've got to get a bus into the airport and a train back out to Torremolinos, or whatever the fuck it's called. I'm going to flying fuck. Never been here. May the 24th. Fuck me. Got to pull the old Spanish rattle now. Spanish right here. Top. Straight my way. Got to go on the old Spanish rattle when you're here, ain't ya? All part of it. Wallet. We've just arrived in Torremolinos. I don't even know if that's what it's called. It's saying up there. So it's hardly the Ritz, but it'll do us alright. Didn't expect all that. Hope you've all enjoyed the journey. Last day's blues. Try and get an ice cream or something. Got some ice cream. The rudest bitch in the world. What is their fucking problem over here? A lot of fellas around here. What is it? Oh, ice cream on those. This is pretty crazy. But the beach is all the way down now. I'm not sure if I got it in me, bro. Looking restaurant. Any money that does burger and chips. I'll have a tenner with you, I'll film it. Burger, chips and pizza. Any money.
I said, before the plate,
Or paella. That's when you know there's English people and chavs about and you just sit there and then fingers flying in the air. Maybe monks that buy them. Not being funny, but anyone can spray with stencils, can't they? Just saying. Definitely a tourism place. See the dip road back in that thing. Try to bot back up now. Fuck's sake. Looks alright, to be fair. Torremolinos. Looks like you could have a good laugh here, like normal people. And Puerto Banus. Said it. First 2 minutes we walked into Puerto Banus. Go to episode 2. Literally. So you can see, Bar Amsterdam. Do you know what that means? Cut that bar anytime, can't you? Probably thinking, when will he learn? I know I'm dead, but can't be that bad if it's in here. Surely. Oh, so we give it up. I just slipped on the water. Don't know if you can see that. These two pair of tossers didn't even walk over. Didn't even go, oh, de nada. Whatever the fuck sorry is. Don't give a fuck. Sorry. Mugs. And what they need to realise is that I don't do it for the YouTube. I don't do it for the laughs. I do it so that one day someone walks down the road and they say, I'm pissed if I live there. You gotta sleep all night, bro. Every cloud, there's a McDonald's down there. Not sure if that's a laugh or not. Good morning. See your face driving now. I'm well late, got to get to the airport. Just arrived back in Croydon. Walk along is 40 degrees. You know you have no one when you're been away 8 weeks and you're walking down Croydon High Street on your own with your bags. No one even picks up the phone. 20 minutes, we can't see them. Can't say I didn't try.